think I'm really good at hosting the show. I mean, I make no mistakes. I'm a natural, a real talent, and with those skills, that's just how I make my money. Oh, hello, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. And welcome. Just chatting about our strengths, you know.
You were doing most of the talking.
Well, I'm really strong at spending money. Look at what I bought this morning. It's a necklace. Do you think I should get it in gold as well?
Oh, no. I'm not sure what I'm good at, actually, but I really love to help people.
Too modest now. You'll get at all sorts of things. Okay, well, clearly we all need a little help working out where our talents lie. And I know just the person to help. The man who can. ATM, link us to Coach Cash right now.
Glad you could make it, Cashlead. Here, hold this. Are you ready to stretch, sweat, and sprint? I mean, strength, solve, and start? It's my little exercise program that's going to help you get started with earning some booty. Okay, number 1. Strength. Ask yourself, what are your strengths? What are you good at? For example, you might be a great baker. Check out my buns. Number 2. Solve. Now, you need to find out how to use your strengths to solve a problem or a need or to help somebody. Here.
Caleb.
So, back to that baking. Take what you've made to sell to parents at Saturday morning sports. I know. You kids are the ones doing all the work and they are the ones doing all the eating. Now, for number 3, start. It's time for action. What are the things you need to get cracking with? Your ingredients? Do you need an oven? A bit of posting on social media to let everyone know your fantastic baking will be on the sidelines at the game of Saturday? Whatever idea you've got, try the strength, solve, start approach. You'll be making money like a pro in no time. Now, drop and give me 10.
Oh, yes.
Righto, Tiara. To sum up, look at your strengths. What are you already good at?
Okay, so my strength is jewellery. I love it. I like the design of it and the way it makes me feel. I'm great at cleaning it and taking care of it.
Then how can you use these strengths to solve problems for someone?
Well, I think I could solve someone's problem by polishing their jewellery, maybe even fixing it. I think other people might love that.
And finally, just get started.
I'm going to start. I'm going to ask my friends if they have any jewellery they'd like me to fix and shine for them. Maybe even a little TikTok would help. All you need is a little bit of self-belief. I'm on the edge of glory.
Okay, I see. Now, let's meet a few people who've put the hard work in to build their confidence with money and turned it into a business.